Physiotherapy Council has given global physiotherapists an outstanding opportunity to take the APC written assessment from any part of the world, including their homes. However, aspirants have several doubts regarding the working of the online proctored exam or remote written assessment that the APC talks about. If you too have doubts, this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi, back with another highly informative video for you, a resource that you will probably not find anywhere on the internet. In today's video, we will be talking about the Australian Physiotherapy Council's written assessment and its online proctored exam, remote written assessment. Today, we will discuss how this works step by step. So do not forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel so that you get all the information related to your journey. First of all, you need to register with the Australian Physiotherapy Council, get the eligibility check completed and then register for the assessment on your preferred date and time. To know about how you register for the exam, watch our another video. The link is here mentioned in the description as well. Here is how you must begin preparations for the exam. Step 1. Install the WebLock Browser. This is the secure browser provided by EPEC for your written assessment. It restricts access to the internet, email, USB devices, functions key and more to ensure a secure exam environment. Next, take the compatibility test. This is a crucial step that needs to be completed about 2 weeks before your exam. You will receive the exact date via email, so mark your calendar and make sure to attend the test at the scheduled time. For the compatibility test, you will need the following: a government-issued ID, a computer with a keyboard and a mouse, a stable internet connection, the prescribed desk setup, a secondary device with internet access and a camera on, sufficient power supply for both the devices, microphone access on the secondary device. Detailed information can be found in the written assessment information booklet. Link is in the description again. Now, let's talk about your desk setup. You need a desk or a table for your computer, keyboard and a mouse, a comfortable chair. Both your computer and secondary device should be plugged into a power source, a surface behind or beside you to place your secondary device. Let's now move on to the D-Day. On the day of your assessment, here is what you will need. Number 1, the link to your assessment, your ID card, the computer used for the compatibility test with the WebLock browser installed in it, a keyboard and a mouse connected to your computer, and number 5, a stable internet connection. Make sure guys, all programs on your computer except WebLock are closed. Disable any antivirus or firewalls on your computer if any. For your secondary device, ensure it has internet access and a camera with the microphone turned on. If using a mobile phone or tablet, switch to aeroplane mode and enable Wi-Fi. Activating the Do Not Disturb mode is also a good idea for you. Finally, ensure both your computer and the secondary device are connected to a stable power source to avoid any kind of interruptions during the exam. And that's it. You and your system are now ready to take the APC remote assessment with confidence. It is also important to ensure that your attempt is smooth and is not disrupted due to a lack of knowledge about the setup. If you still have any doubts, any queries or looking for personalized guidance, get in touch with our experts today at Academically. We help healthcare professionals like you and other like pharmacists, nurses, physiotherapists, optometrists, lab technicians and many more to clear foreign registration exams from their home country. Fill up the form in the description to get a free 101 counseling sessions with our experts today. So that's all for today guys. Hope you got all the information you needed. We will soon be back with another video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.